What if you never had to search the Google Play Store again? Instead of typing keywords, scrolling through hundreds of apps, and guessing which one is actually good, you could simply ask an AI what you need and install the perfect app without ever leaving the conversation.
Well, that's exactly what Google is rolling out with Gemini. And honestly, this could completely change how Android users discover and install apps.
Google has officially added the Google Play Store as a connected app inside Gemini. That means you can now ask Gemini for app recommendations using natural language, just like talking to a friend. Instead of searching for something vague like photo editor, you can ask, "What's the best camera app that makes my photos look like a 90s disposable camera?" Or, "Recommend a navigation app that's great for international travel." Gemini understands what you're trying to do, not just the keywords you're typing. It then searches Google Play and displays interactive app cards with ratings, download numbers, and quick access to the app. It's a much smarter way to discover software.
But this is where things get even more interesting. When you tap one of Gemini's recommendations, you don't have to leave the conversation. Instead, a Google Play installation sheet slides up directly inside Gemini.
Simply tap Install, and once the download starts, you can dismiss the sheet and continue chatting right where you left off. It feels less like switching between apps, and more like Android is working alongside your conversation.
This integration isn't just about finding new apps. Gemini can also help you interact with supported apps that are already installed on your device. For example, you can ask about available in-app purchases or digital content. And for supported apps, Gemini can guide you through purchases securely using Google Play.
Google has also designed the experience to protect your privacy by only interacting with supported apps already installed on your phone. To use this feature, you'll need to meet a few requirements. Be signed in to Gemini and Google Play using the same personal Google account. Keep Gemini apps activity enabled, and because the rollout is gradual, availability may vary depending on your country, device, language, and account type.
This update is about much more than making the Play Store smarter. It's another step toward Google's bigger vision for Android. Instead of opening different apps to search, compare, install, and manage software, Gemini is becoming the central AI interface that connects everything together through natural conversation.
Today, it's the Play Store. Tomorrow, it could be every major Android service. And that's why this update is much bigger than it first appears. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.